Hi guys, welcome back to Food Mood Creations. Today we're making lemon paprika chicken breast. In this bowl there are 4 chicken breasts. I just used 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts and I cut them in half, and I'm gonna season that with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and lemon pepper. I added some more paprika and lemon pepper, and I'm just gonna mix that in. I also added 2 tablespoons of olive oil off camera. I added 2 chicken breasts to a hot cast iron skillet, and I'm gonna cook that for 4 to 5 minutes. I didn't add any additional oil to the skillet since I already added oil to the chicken, but you can add more oil if you want to. Now I'm going to turn the chicken breast over and cook that for 3 to 4 minutes. I cooked the remaining chicken breast. I was going to serve it like this, but I changed my mind and I added some butter to the skillet along with some onions, bell peppers, and thyme. I'm going to cook the onions and peppers for a few minutes until they soften. Let's talk health benefits. Paprika has carotenoids, which are beneficial for eye health. They can enhance cognitive function, boost cardiovascular health, and prevent some forms of cancer. Paprika also contains vitamin C and E. Vitamin C can act as an antioxidant and prevent scurvy, and vitamin E can prevent lung cancer, and it can also slow brain aging, which will ultimately decrease the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Now I'm returning the chicken to the skillet, and I'm just going to cook that for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is heated through. This is how the lemon paprika chicken breast turned out. I ate it with white rice and it was really good. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this recipe, the link is in the description box below. Also, before I go, I wanted to tell you about a free resource library that I created on my website. So there are 2 cookbooks. One is from the cheat day recipes that I used to give away, and another one is one that I created over the summer. There's also a keto food list, as well as a printable grocery shopping list and a printable meal planning template. So all you have to do is go to foodmoodcreations.com and sign up for my newsletter, and you will get access to all of these free goodies that I mentioned. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.